At Comfort Engineers, safety isn't just a policy, it's the foundation of every project we undertake. Every worker is outfitted with industry-standard protective gear, ensuring they are safeguarded against potential hazards. With guardrails, harnesses, and safety nets, we take extra measures to prevent falls, the leading cause of workplace injuries. From daily safety briefings to emergency preparedness drills, we ensure every worker knows what to do and when to act. By keeping our sites organised and free of clutter, we minimise risks and create a safer working environment for everyone. Unlike companies that rely on outsourced labour, our in-house team brings unparalleled skill and adherence to safety protocols. When safety leads the way, success follows. Build with Comfort Engineers, where every step is a safe one.